Alright, 2011 Hyundai
Sonata.
This is a Hyundai Sonata, 4-cylinder, and we're gonna change the air filter. This is for the engine. The air filter goes in here, and this is where the air goes into the engine. So all you do is pop this clip and that clip, and this should lift up a little bit. Sometimes you have to remove this bolt here. It had another clip back there. That's what happened there. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bolt also. Remove this. Let's remove this. We're going to remove this number 10 to make it easy. You could get a number 10 socket or a Phillips head screwdriver. All you do is you're losing that bolt. Once you have that loose, you should be able to remove that little pipe there. Just push it out of the way. This should give you some kind of free play into the filter housing. I'm losing it some more so it loses the grip. And this should come off, alright? So you see there was a clamp down here. You gotta remove those two clamps also. The filter, let's see. There you go. It's a bird in here. Alright, I think there's like a raccoon living in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get the vacuum. We're gonna suck this out. We always want to clean this area right here if there's so much dirt, filth in there. You don't want to put a filter in there, it'll clog up, just like the one we took off over there. Alright, so what I'll do is, we have this air vacuum here. So we got the air line connected to it. Suck all this out. I see rat poo in there. There's a rat in here. Alright, this looks pretty clean now, and what we'll do is we'll put the filter in now. We'll take the new filter, we'll put the filter in, and we'll lock up the top. And we're done. And that's how you change a filter on this 011 Hyundai. So there's the new filter. Alright, so we're gonna put the top on. Make sure you put all 4 clamps on. Very important for you to lock up that pipe with the number 10 on top. Make sure you get the filter line. The 2 clamps in the bottom go on, 2 on the top, and that's it. The filter locks in, and you tighten up the little bolt, and you're done. And that's how you change the filter on a Hyundai. There's the old filter. Disgusting. I don't think this was ever changed.